Hi, we're from Sheartak Tools, a Canadian-based company that provides woodworking and metalworking tools. In this video, we'll be explaining the purpose of a torque wrench and how to use it. The torque wrench applies a specific amount of torque to screws, nuts, and bolts for uniform clamping. It's an ideal tool for installing carbide inserts on a spiral or helical cutter head. Not to be confused with the automobile torque wrench that can damage carbide inserts, this specific type of wrench is a much more precise instrument. The carbide inserts installed on Sheartak cutter heads are preset to 5.4 to 5.8 Newton meters, which is 48 to 52 pound-inch. Do not exceed the maximum torque value of the torque wrench when using it, and only apply force on the handle. Any incorrect use will cause errors and may even damage the wrench. Adjust the torque wrench to be the same as the required torque value. If the value does not match up, it may seriously damage equipment or parts. Do not disassemble this wrench frequently, as improper disassembly and assembly may cause damage to the internal structure. It is recommended to be overhauled at least once a year. To set the torque value, pull down on the locking ring and turn the handle simultaneously to the required value. Rotating clockwise increases the torque, and turning counterclockwise decreases the torque. Then release the locking ring and the torque is set. To use the wrench, hold the handle with one hand and press the ratchet handle with the other hand. Start applying force evenly on the handle. Stop applying force when hearing a click sound. It means that the set value has been reached. To maintain the wrench in good condition, always set its torque value to the lowest once the torquing job is finished. The torque wrench surface can be cleaned with the help of alcohol. Be sure to check out Sheartak's website at sheartak.com/torque-wrench to find the torque wrench and more, or send us an email at sales@sheartak.com for any other inquiries.